Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the penguin's trough in Heartopia. So they recently added the penguin. So I am just going to, I'm like moving around in circles. It is near the it's in the Winter Utopia basically. So you'll see from this area, if you turn right, you'll see that there are penguins. Make sure you do the quest first. You'll get like a call from Naughty Boy, and basically you'll go through a bunch of like tasks. Then you'll find the penguin's trough here. So I'll just add some fishes and I'll feed it to increase my bond level. You'll see it also in animals here. It is time limited, and I think, okay, so for the weather, okay. I don't know their favorite foods yet, so I'll have to check back with you guys. I'll probably insert what their favorite food is right now. Yeah, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Sorry.